Ready to unleash your single-player Minecraft masterpiece onto a vibrant multiplayer server. First, log into your chosen Minecraft server hosting provider. I'm using hosting provider name for this tutorial, but the process is generally similar across most providers. Navigate to your server's control panel, look for a section typically labeled Server Management, File Manager, or something similar. This is where we'll access the server's files. Inside the control panel, find the Worlds folder. This folder houses all the Minecraft worlds currently available on your server. If you already have worlds in here, you might want to back them up before proceeding. Now, let's locate your single-player world on your computer. The default location is usually in your Minecraft folder, then find the folder with the name of your world. Right-click on your world folder and select Compress to Zip File or a similar option. Depending on your operating system, this creates a compressed archive of your world, making it easier to upload. Back in your server's file manager, click the Upload button. This will open a window allowing you to select files from your computer. Choose the zip file you just created containing your Minecraft world. The upload speed will depend on the size of your world and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the zip file in the Worlds folder. Now, you need to extract the contents of the zip file. Find the Extract or Unzip option in your file manager. Select your Worlds zip file and click Extract. This will unpack your world folder into the Worlds directory. Finally, head back to your server's settings and look for the world or level name option. Select your newly uploaded world from the drop-down menu. Restart your server to apply the changes. Once it's back online, your Minecraft world will be ready for you and your friends to explore. Happy building!